moly. It's raining. It's bad. And it's lightning. And it's thundering.
Thank you.
And we have power.
Just eat it.
Me too. Take the video.
Good.
We lost power. You know that?
Huh?
You know we lost power?
Oh, yeah.
We lost power. Let's see.
Where's my door? I
We
said
came back on.
that.
Yeah, it went off and came back on. I am not feeling sleeping next to the window tonight. It's like a horror movie or something. Holy moly. I wonder if they can hear the thunder. What? Yep. Oh, I'm scared. Especially Nicole.
Well, yeah, but she can't see it. That's the one that makes me muffled somewhat.
Yeah, but we lost power. Her window, she has no blind on her window. And the thunder is shaking the ground.
Is it raining in that window?
I don't know, I'm just scared to go close to it. A little bit.
Well, good. Shut. I'm not shut.
Oh, it's gonna be like a big crack. This is so exciting. I already took my pill. Oh, I'm getting wet from the rain that's coming in this window. Probably shouldn't have my iPod plugged in while I hold on to the charger to take a video of this. But, hey, I'm willing to take risks to get this really amazing lightning, thunder, fiasco going on outside. This is awesome. I wish this happened all the time. Wow. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Wow. I'm getting rained on and I am about 2.5 feet from the window, and I'm getting rained on. And I probably still shouldn't be this close to the window, but like I said, I'm willing to take the risk. Because I really love thunderstorms, even though I freaked out earlier. NBD. That was gross, pardon me. Whoa. Big crack, ready? I can feel the vibrations in my iPod cable. This is so amazing. I'm pretty sure the storm is like right on top of us because the thunder and lightning are happening like at the same time. And it's raining even harder. And I came in at the right moment. This is awesome. Still getting rained on. Oh, I have a text. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but I'm pretty sure you can hear the thunder. And you can see the lightning. And maybe if it's a big flash, you'll be able to see the wetness on the screen. See the wetness on the screen. So this has been going on for almost 6 minutes, and I think I'm going to cut it in the best of the storm, basically. So hope you enjoyed the storm. Just a couple more. Whoa, there's a big crack of lightning and thunder to sign you guys off. Peace.